What is the value of the expression 99 minus 9 divided by 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by open parenthesis 9 minus 7 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is so tricky that a lot of people get the wrong answer. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. To solve this question, most people first focus on the subtraction between 99 and 9, and they rewrite the whole expression as 90 divided by 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9 minus 7 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they usually move on to the exponent and write this expression in the simplified form below. 90 divided by 9 multiplied by 9 minus 7 inside the parentheses. Then, they handle the division between 90 and 9 and replace this expression with 10 multiplied by 9 minus 7 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they focus on the expression inside the parentheses and replace it with 2. So, this expression becomes 10 multiplied by 2, which finally gives them the answer 20. Then, they quickly look at the options and choose option A as the correct answer to this question. But, I have to say, we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people when solving this question first focus on the expression inside the parentheses and replace the whole expression with 99 minus 9 divided by 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2. And the next step, they usually go to the exponent and simplify it to 99 minus 9 divided by 9 multiplied by 2. Then, they perform the multiplication between 9 and 2 because they believe multiplication has higher priority than division. So, they rewrite this expression as 99 minus 9 divided by 18. And the final step, they focus on the division between 9 and 18 because they think division has higher priority than subtraction. And they rewrite this expression as 99 minus 0.5, which finally gives them the answer 98.5. And immediately, they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option D. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression correctly. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. It means that we have to perform all the operations in order following the PEMDAS rule from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a subtraction sign, then a division sign, and after that we have an exponent, then a multiplication, and finally parentheses. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we should start with the parentheses, because parentheses have the highest priority than the other operations. So, we can write this expression as 99 minus 9 divided by 3 to the power of 2 times 2. And the next step, we go to the exponent, because after parentheses, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 99 minus 9 divided by 9 times 2. Then, we must perform the division and multiplication. However, it's really important to understand that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this situation, we must start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, first we do the division between 9 and 9, and this expression simplifies to 99 minus 1, then times 2. And the final step, we perform the multiplication between 1 and 2, which simplifies this expression to 99 minus 2. And finally, the value of this expression will be 97. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.